Devayan. Congratulations on making it to IIM Calcutta, the Dream B School. So we'll try to find from you how you prepared for the English section, the VARC. So can you please throw some light on that?
Yes, sir. So thank you for inviting me on the call. And sir, for VARC, my first advice to all of the aspirants would be to read a lot, first of all. And I would suggest that they should start online reading from now, at least 45 minutes a day, because anyway, the final paper that they are going to see, or even for the mock test, they are going to read it from a screen. So it's better to start reading online from now. And there's no other substitute, there's no substitute for reading in VARC. The more you read, the better it's going to be. And for the sources, I would suggest they should read from a variety of topics, from a variety of domains, so that if they see a dense passage in any of the domains or in any of the sectors from the usual the backgrounds that the passages come from, they are not taken aback after seeing a passage, so that they have at least a little a little knowledge from beforehand from a particular domain. So I would suggest reading from all the domains that are available for the VARC.
Any specific websites or sources online which you typically would have been referring to?
Yes, sir. So I would suggest first of all to read the editorial of any newspaper, preferably the Hindu, every morning, and that also helps in the interview preparation after the CAT is over. And they can look into Eon essays. So that is a very good source of reading. The passages are long. It will take around 30 minutes to read one essay, but that's worth the effort. And for psychology, there's a book called Psychology by David Myers. So I gave a read, and what they can do is they can make a schedule that they would read 30 minutes before going off to sleep. So I completed David Myers before going to sleep. 30 minutes I used to read every day. And there are other websites as well, like philosophybasics.com for philosophy related articles. And then there are popc.com for science related articles. Then they can read the Mint and the Economic Times for business related articles. So I would suggest these are the websites, and even the teachers would advise them more on the sources.
Right. So which are the type of tests you took? The topic test, sectional tests, mock tests. So how did you plan out your number of passages per day, kind of?
Okay. So one thing would be for me specifically, it was that I did not have to give in much effort for VARC. The first mock that I took, I scored around 90% in VARC, and then it was all above 90% in VARC. So I did not have to think a lot about this particular the sector in the three sectors in the CAT. What I did was I used to solve at least 5 RCs a day. There are topic tests in the Career Launcher portal, so people can solve that. And at least 5 RCs, would help them stay true to their preparation, and also continue that habit of reading. And mock tests, usually I started giving around 1 mock in every 3 days, in every 3 weeks during July and September. And then I increased the frequency of the mock test, and before the exam it was 1 mock per day. So that was the same for all the sections. But for VARC, I used to practice topic tests every day, and sectional tests maybe once a day, or 2 sectional tests per day.
So coming to the VA part, any specific input you would like to give us on the para-jumble and the summary-based questions which we get?
Yes, sir. So for para-jumbles, there are very tricks to solve it are very conventional. So if you start solving, then you will get to understand that there are if you solve para-jumbles, you'll get to like you will already practice for the odd one out as well. So there are particular nuances in the sentences. So usually it's a transition from a positive sentence to a negative like from a positive light to a negative light, or there's a beginning and there's a end, yeah, conclusion. So you'll get to understand what the sentences are. So practice is the key here. So you'll have to solve a lot and do that. And like for especially for CAT, VA was not an issue. So there's only parajumbles and very few questions. And somebody, if you are solving RCs, somebody comes automatic to you. So if you have to comprehend a passage, then you can obviously solve a question.
Thanks a lot, Divine, for your inputs. Basically, what I think Divine is trying to tell us, reading is the key. 35-40 minutes a day we need to read, especially online, because that's the way we're going to take the test. And then practicing, let's say 4 to 5 RC passages per day from the topic test, sectional test, and of course the mocks of CL would be the key. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Thanks a lot, dear, for your inputs, and we wish
Thanks,
you, Career Launcher, all the best in your future endeavors. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you. Thanks a lot.